I'm going to explain to you about a couple of things here. One is called as the descriptive statistics versus inferential statistics. Okay. Descriptive statistics is nothing but you have some graphical technique to summarize the data. Okay. For example, I have put a normal distribution and there is a measure for central location, which is mean, median, mode. And measures of spread is nothing but standard deviation, variation. Range and standard deviation, measure of spread. And then we will also talk about some symmetry, skewness and stuff like that. So typical graphical analysis, histogram, box plots and dot plots. Now we have seen histogram also in the tabular column on the right side. From the time order data, we have tabulated as histograms. Okay. We will talk about some normal probability plot, and many of the things are applicable for a normal distribution. Okay. So there are two ways of treatment. If the distribution is not normal, we use other distribution or we use transformation function. Okay. Don't get scared by what I'm saying now. Okay. So let us just stick to normal distribution now. If the data is abnormal, we will use transformation function or we will use some other distributions. I will talk about that later. But as of now, we will deal with normal distribution, non-normal distribution to be handled. Okay. Now this inferential statistics, it is not possible to measure the data from the entire population, because of which not being feasible or it is very expensive. There are various reasons why entire population data, it will take a lot of time. Okay. And it's not required also. So statistician, what they have done is they have taken samples out of that. They do the descriptive statistics on the sample data and infer on the population. Since it's not possible to collect data of the entire population means all the biscuits manufactured, you cannot weigh the biscuits. All the chocolate manufactured, you cannot weigh the chocolates, right? All the output of a particular machine, you cannot take the data. What we can do is we can take sample data and do a descriptive statistics on that. Descriptive statistics means we do histogram, box plot, some capability analysis on the data, etc., etc. And finally, from this data, you can conclude on the population, okay, to some extent. So inferring the population parameter based on the samples of data, this includes estimation and hypothesis testing.